we sent Dick and the Candid Camera crew to this Jiffy Lube in Queens, New York. Now, they promise a lube job and an oil change in just 10 minutes. But here's a customer who dropped off his car exactly 42 seconds ago. So watch.
Angelo.
Yeah.
Car's done.
Huh?
Car's done.
What do you mean the car's done?
Your car's done.
You did the oil change and everything?
Yeah. We're fast.
How's that?
What do you mean, huh?
How'd you change the oil?
Well, that's why they call us Jiffy. Fast. The car's done.
Car's done?
Yeah.
We just pulled in.
We're improving every day.
That's impossible.
Yep. Huh? You can pick it up outside, okay? That's gonna be,
That can't be.
Why?
Get out of here.
Pretty fast, huh?
Yep. Well, you're not called Jiffy for nothing.
You got it. That took us about, I think that was like 45 seconds.
You changed the oil in the car already? See,
Yeah. You get oil from the gun.
yeah, but the oil has to drip out. I don't think they did that in Indianapolis 500 that quick, changing tires.
That's it?
Yeah.
It can't be.
What? Oh no, yeah, we're fast. It's a, it's a competitive world out there.
Jeez.
Got lots of lube places, Presto, Quicko,
Yeah.
Lickety Split Lube, all these places. You gotta be fast.
I like that.
Jiffy?
What's the matter?
Nah, I'm just saying. Why? It takes me 5 minutes to open up an oil can.
I feel like I'm on Candid Camera.
Well, you know something?
What?
You are.
Get out of here.
Right over there.
No.
My name's Dick. I'm with Candid Camera.
I don't believe you anyway.
Now, you know a television show called Candid Camera?
Yes.
You're on it.
Oh.
You look at the